Question 1. What is the C unit of electric current? A. Volt. B. Ampere. C. Ohm. D. Watt. The correct answer is B. Ampere. Question 2. Which instrument is used to measure electric current in a circuit? A. Voltmeter. B. Galvanometer. C. Ammeter. D. Ohmmeter. The correct answer is C. Ammeter. Question 3. Which formula gives electric power in terms of voltage and current? Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 4. The unit of electrical energy is A. Watt. B. Joule. C. Volt. D. Ampere. The correct answer is B. Joule. Question 5. Which material is commonly used as a fuse wire? A. Copper. B. Aluminium. C. Iron. D. Alloy of tin and lead. The correct answer is D. Alloy of tin and lead. Question 6. The direction of conventional current is taken as the direction of flow of A. Electrons. B. Protons. C. Positive charge. D. Negative charge. The correct answer is C. Positive charge. Question 7. What is the resistance of an ideal ammeter? A. Very high. B. Infinite. C. Very low. D. Zero. The correct answer is D. Zero. Question 8. Which phenomenon causes the splitting of white light into its constituent colors? A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Dispersion. D. Diffraction. The correct answer is C. Dispersion. Question 9. The image formed by a plane mirror is A. Real and inverted. B. Virtual and erect. C. Real and erect. D. Virtual and inverted. The correct answer is B. Virtual and erect. Question 10. Which mirror is used as a rearview mirror in vehicles? A. Concave mirror. B. Convex mirror. C. Plane mirror. D. Cylindrical mirror. The correct answer is B. Convex mirror. Question 11. The focal length of a convex lens is taken as A. Positive. B. Negative. C. Zero. D. Infinite. The correct answer is A. Positive. Question 12. Which part of the human eye controls the amount of light entering the eye? A. Retina. B. Pupil. C. Iris. D. Cornea. The correct answer is C. Iris. Question 13. What is the C unit of magnetic field? A. Tesla, B. Weber, C. Gauss, D. Henry. The correct answer is A. Tesla. Question 14. The device used to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy is A. Electric generator, B. Electric motor, C. Transformer, D. Galvanometer. The correct answer is B. Electric motor. Question 15. Which type of energy is possessed by a stretched rubber band? A. Kinetic energy, B. Thermal energy, C. Elastic potential energy, D. Chemical energy. The correct answer is C. Elastic potential energy. Question 16. If the potential difference across a conductor is doubled, the current through it becomes A. Half, B. Double, C. 1/4, D. 0. The correct answer is B. Double. Question 17. Two resistors of 2 ohms and 4 ohms are connected in series. What is the equivalent resistance? A. 6 ohms, B. 2 ohms, C. 8 ohms, D. 1 ohms. The correct answer is A. 6 ohms. Question 18. The magnification produced by a plane mirror is A. Less than 1, B. Equal to 1, C. Greater than 1, D. 0. The correct answer is B. Equal to 1. Question 19. Which law states that the current through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends? A. Faraday's law, B. Ohm's law, C. Newton's law, D. Coulomb's law. The correct answer is B. Ohm's law. Question 20. The splitting of white light into different colors on passing through a prism is because different colors have A. Different speeds, B. Different wavelengths, C. Different frequencies, D. Different energies. The correct answer is B. Different wavelengths. Question 21. Which mirror can form a real, inverted image? A. Plane mirror, B. Convex mirror, C. Concave mirror, D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Concave mirror. Question 22. The power of a lens is measured in A. Watt, B. Diopter, C. Meter, D. Tesla. The correct answer is B. Diopter. Question 23. Which defect of vision is corrected using a concave lens? A. Hypermetropia, B. Presbyopia, C. Myopia, D. Astigmatism. The correct answer is C. Myopia. Question 24. The direction of magnetic field lines outside a bar magnet is from A. South to north, B. North to south. C. East to west. D. West to east. The correct answer is B. North to south. Question 25. Which rule is used to find the direction of force on a current-carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field? A. Right-hand thumb rule. B. Fleming's left-hand rule. C. Fleming's right-hand rule. D. Maxwell's rule. The correct answer is B. Fleming's left-hand rule. Question 26. The phenomenon due to which electric current is produced in a coil by changing magnetic field is called? A. Electromagnetism. B. Magnetic induction. C. Electromagnetic induction. D. Electrostatics. The correct answer is C. Electromagnetic induction. Question 27. Which source of energy is considered non-renewable? A. Wind energy. B. Solar energy. C. Hydroelectric energy. D. Coal. The correct answer is D. Coal. Question 28. The image formed by a convex mirror is always A. Real and inverted. B. Real and erect. C. Virtual and erect. D. Virtual and inverted. The correct answer is C. Virtual and erect. Question 29. If resistance of a conductor increases, the current through it will A. Increase. B. Decrease. C. Remain same. D. Become zero. The correct answer is B. Decrease. Question 30. Which color of light bends the most when passing through a prisma? A. Red. B. Yellow. C. Green. D. Violet. The correct answer is D. Violet. Question 31. The unit of electric power commonly used for household appliances is A. Joule. B. Watt. C. Kilowatt. D. Ampere. The correct answer is C. Kilowatt. Question 32. The resistance of a conductor depends on A. Length only. B. Area only. C. Material only. D. Length, area, and material. The correct answer is D. Length, area, and material. Question 33. Which device is used to step up or step down AC voltage? A. Generator. B. Motor. C. Transformer. D. Rectifier. The correct answer is C. Transformer. Question 34. The phenomenon of bending of light when it passes from one medium to another is called A. Reflection. B. Diffraction. C. Refraction. D. Dispersion. The correct answer is C. Refraction. Question 35. What is the nature of the image formed by a concave lens? A. Real and inverted. B. Virtual and erect. C. Real and erect. D. Virtual and inverted. The correct answer is B. Virtual and erect. Question 36. Which part of the eye is affected in cataract? A. Cornea. B. Retina. C. Lens. D. Iris. The correct answer is C. Lens. Question 37. The amount of heat produced in a conductor depends on A. Current only. B. Resistance only. C. Time only. D. Current, resistance, and time. The correct answer is D. Current, resistance, and time. Question 38. Which energy conversion takes place in an electric motor? A. Mechanical to electrical. B. Electrical to mechanical. C. Chemical to electrical. D. Thermal to electrical. The correct answer is B. Electrical to mechanical. Question 39. The magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid carrying current is A. 0. B. Uniform. C. Non-uniform. D. Circular. The correct answer is B. Uniform. Question 40. Which law explains the working of an electric generator? A. Ohm's law. B. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. C. Lenz's law. D. Ampere's law. The correct answer is B. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Question 41. The focal length of a lens is 25 centimeters. Its power is A. 4D, B minus 4D, C 0.25D, D minus 0.25D. The correct answer is A. 4D. Question 42. Which source of energy causes the least environmental pollution? A. Coal. B. Petroleum. C. Nuclear energy. D. Solar energy. The correct answer is D. Solar energy. Question 43. The resistance of a wire is doubled by A. Doubling its length. B. Doubling its radius. C. Doubling its area. D. Halving its length. The correct answer is A. Doubling its length. Question 44. In a domestic electric circuit, the appliances are connected in A. Series. B. Parallel. C. Combination. D. Ring circuit. The correct answer is B. Parallel. Question 45. Which mirror is used in solar cookers? A. Plane mirror. B. Convex mirror. C. Concave mirror. D. Cylindrical mirror. The correct answer is C. Concave mirror. Question 46. The unit of electrical resistance is named after A. Ampere. B. Ohm. C. Volt. D. Watt. The correct answer is B. Ohm. Question 47. The main cause of dispersion in a prism is A. Reflection of light. B. Different refractive indices for different colors. C. Scattering of light. D. Diffraction of light. The correct answer is B. Different refractive indices for different colors.